Assalamu alaikum, kids. Today, we're going on a magical ride to learn about Hajj, the amazing pilgrimage to Mecca. It's like a super special journey that millions of Muslims take every year. Ready to join us? Let's go!
What is Hajj?
Hajj is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. That means it's super duper important, like a golden rule. Muslims from all over the world go to Mecca to do special prayers and follow the steps of Prophet Ibrahim, alayhi salam.
Who performs Hajj?
People from every corner of the earth, tall, short, old, young, all come together. It doesn't matter where you're from. Everyone wears white clothes called ihram, so we all look the same, united and humble.
Why is Hajj important?
Hajj teaches us to be patient, kind, and thankful. It reminds us that all Muslims are brothers and sisters, one big family under Allah.
Let's explore the journey.
Let's explore the Hajj journey. We start at the Kaaba, the black cube. We walk around it 7 times. That's called tawaf. Then we walk between 2 hills, Safa and Marwa. That's called Sa'i. Next, we go to a huge place called Arafat, and make lots of dua. At Muzdalifah, everyone sleeps under the stars. Then we throw pebbles at 3 big walls. That's called Rami al-Jamra. We also do Qurbani, a sacrifice to remember Prophet Ibrahim. And finally, we cut a little hair. That means we did it.
Cool Hajj facts.
Did you know? Over 2 million people go to Hajj each year. Hajj has been performed for over 1,400 years. Even kids can go to Hajj with their families.
Hajj for kids? Yes.
If you're a kid, you can learn about Hajj by reading books, watching videos like this one, and asking questions. One day, you might go to Hajj too, inshallah.
Let's recap and say bye.
So let's remember, Hajj is a journey of faith. Muslims from everywhere go. We follow the steps of Prophet Ibrahim. And you can start learning today. Ma salama, superstars. See you next time. Inshallah.